dirty floor mats. We all got them. And this is how we're going to fix them.
I believe it's 12mm.
Every time. So yeah, let's fix the floor mats. You're going to need yourself one of these. And some of these.
There he is. Mr. Nice Guy.
Yeah?
Now he's driving up to the Honda.
That was the guy with the Rogue before, right? Ah, shit. Don't worry. It's just stained. It's not dirt. Just here. Rinse off the floor mat because I can't use the hose. Story of my life, I know. I'm gonna give it a good rinse down. Wow, there's a lot of dirt coming off this mat. I need to get WeatherTex or something. Excuse me. Holy shit, that's a big crow.
Oh. That's the mama crow.
So now, let's get to the dirty part. And you can't really see because the light is... Ugh, that didn't help at all. Yeah, let's get to the really dirty part of the problem here. So after you brush it again, besides the stains, it comes out nice and dark, and you just gotta leave your window cracked, or so if you don't have an extractor, to make sure you get all the moisture out. That's kind of gross. Okay, so after a little while, it's pretty much dry now. I'm still gonna have to leave the windows open a little bit, but yeah, that's essentially it. I know there's not really great lighting down here. So we're gonna come to our mat. Looking squeaky clean. Oh wait, got a little bit of dirt in there. Huh? Well, that's alright. So we're gonna go put this back in now. And voila, the mat is in. It's clean, and it doesn't look muddy again. So yeah, that's the Friday cleaning video. All right. So that wraps up the Clean With Me Friday. I guess that's what I'm going to be calling it. I just stay late after work every day, or on Fridays. Find something new to clean the car, make a video about it, show other people how to do it. So yeah, we're going to be getting gas now, getting a coffee, going home, and just relaxing. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good weekend. P.S. UC3 is this weekend, so if this video goes up tonight or Saturday, just know there's going to be UC3 car show happening very soon. Yeah, it'd be really cool to see anyone there. If you watch me and you see me, or Hibiscus Motorsports Miata, come up and say hi. Love to meet everybody, and I want to do a couple interviews on some people's builds. So yeah, see you later.